we're going to test out the terrain management system on the 2019 Ford Ranger XLT. This button right here that says TM is actually the terrain management system. So by clicking that button, you can put it into normal mode, sand mode, mud and rut mode, or grass, gravel, and snow mode. So it really helps you out whenever you're in those different terrains and you're driving the vehicle to help stop any slippage. So what we're currently doing is sitting in a grassy gravel landscape, and so we're gonna test it out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just keep it in two-wheel high in normal mode and see if there's any type of slippage or anything that we can't seem to get the grip. So there obviously was a significant amount of slippage and peeling out. So let's go ahead and turn around and do it again, but with the traction management system enabled in the grass, gravel, and snow mode. So I have enabled the traction management system and put that in the grass, gravel, snow mode. So we are going to gas it a little bit and see the difference. Let's do it. Oh wow, that's amazing. Zero slippage, a lot of great grip, took off the line. That traction management system is no joke. And that is how you enable the terrain management system on the 2019 Ford Ranger XLT. To check out this vehicle or any others that we do have, you can visit us in Moscow Mills, Missouri, or go to our website, JimTrenaryFord.com.